Hey, to connect a Samsung WF-1000XM5 with any Android smartphone, we've got actually two different methods, and I'm going to show you both of them. So, first of all, we have to input both earbuds inside a charging case. Now, close it for a few moments, then open it, and then we have to find this button next to the USB-C port, and we have to click and hold it, and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. It will take around a few moments. Now we have to release this button when this indicator is blue. Keep that case open, put it close to your smartphone, and now we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone or any other device. Go to the connected devices, open pairing list, and now from available devices select WF-1000XM5. So click on device and now tap on the pairing request. And now I'm going to show you second way how we can pair them. So we can also connect them to the Sony application by going into the Google Play Store. We have to click on the search and input this phrase Sony headphones. Also you will get some recommendation, so we can pick this, and this is actually the name and the icon of the application that we have to get on our smartphone. So click on the install, and now we have to just wait for a few moments until this application will be on our smartphone. Then we have to open it. Now from here you will have to actually select your country and the region. So in my case it will be actually the United States. You can go back with the arrows or the gestures. Then click here that you read above contents and agree. Click on the start. Now tap agree and proceed. Then click agree and start using. And now click OK. Then accept this permission if it is popping on your screen. Next, just wait for a few moments, and as you can see now we are successfully connected. Click OK, then tap later. Now you can restore some other settings. If you didn't actually use this device previously, you can just click to without restoring. Click next. There's some quick tutorial, so I can recommend you to simply click later because all of these settings you can personalize after you be connected successfully. Go to the dashboard, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.